Here I have HUAWEI P Smart, and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. At the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Here you need to find and select the settings. Alright, then let's scroll down and choose System, the last option. So from the following menu, let's choose About Phone, and here you can find the build number. Let's just simply tap a couple of times on build number. Let's keep tapping, and as you can see, you are now a developer. So you can use the back key to go back, and from the following list you can select developer options. And right here you can use all the features from the following developer list. For example, you can enable OEM Unlocking by using that switcher. Let's read the warning, tap Enable, and you just allow the bootloader to be unlocked. You can also scroll down and choose the USB Debugging right here. Let's tap OK, and you just switch on and enable the USB Debugging feature. Here you can also, for example, select Mock Location App, you can enable View Attribute Inspection and use other developer features. If you would like to go back, let's use the back key, and right now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.